Here we go, it's time for the easiest game of the season. Wolves against West Brom at home. Should be a walk in the park, let's get into it.
Hello! Oh,
8 years ago, Wolves played West Bromwich Albion at home at Molineux, 5-1, relegation, manager sacked, relegation again, back up, Europe, back up again, Europe, everything. Wow, what a journey it has been, and we are back. I was 12 years old, almost half my life has gone on, and we're here again. Hello everyone, Finerrz here, the big one. I'm so nervous. I haven't felt like this for a game in such a long time. We have to win today. Anyone watching that's not a Wolves fan or any reason, we have to win. On paper, even though we're in terrible form, we should win. They've been getting slapped up left, right and centre, West Brom. We have to win.
We have to win.
But instead of just saying we have to win a few more times, let's get the family in. Let's do some predictions for the big one.
Bit 365, bit in play now. Right, biggest stream of the season.
Right then everyone, we're here. How you feeling?
Nervous.
excited and nervous.
I'm the only one.
Frizzled.
It's not the only. You all going to a funeral?
Oh. I know we said it enough in the intro, we have to win, but I just want to win and get it over with. Doesn't matter how many goals it's by. So I'm going to say a 1-0 Wolves. I don't want to see them score against us.
I don't know that I'm stealing your thunder here, Dad, for what you're going to say, but 5-1. It's happening. It's got to. Revenge. 6-1, so we win on aggregate.
I was very frightened, as I say, but a little bit more reassured. I'm going to go for a 2-0 win.
We need revenge. I'm not going to be quite as brave as you, Finn. I'm going to be somewhere between that and the last time when we beat them 4-2, so I'm going to go 4-1.
Finerrz, very nervous household here. You look at it on paper and we should batter these. That's the problem. But I'm going to go for a nervy 2-1 win where we're holding on at the end from corner after corner and Bolly clears one off the line.
We're bad at the minute, but we're not that bad, so we should be beating them.
They're both praying them
Didn't
too.
even whistle. Go on, Wolves. Go on.
Come on, Wolves! Come on, Coates! Love you, Coates! Come on!
Come on, boys. Come on. Oh, mate, the nerves are kicking in now, lads.
No.
You might have done, yeah.
Oh no!
You're frigging joking.
Surely not.
It's a penalty!
It's a penalty for West Brom.
Oh no, that's
No,
not.
it's not.
You can't give that. The ball's
Are they
gone.
not VAR in it?
Yeah, they will.
It's outside the line! I need to wear glasses and I can see that.
Come on, Rui! Come on, Rui!
Oh!
This time he puts it away. West Bromwich Albion are ahead.
How? They lose 5-0 every week!
I mean, it's a nightmare start. If they go 2 up, I'm cutting this stream. I'm cutting it.
I'm bored. It's on ball.
He caught it! Just hit his hands, you went like that! You that!
Box.
And that wasn't a natural position for your hand to be.
Who runs around like that?
That's very
Fucking
Sterling.
Scooby-Doo.
Why have they got a referee commentating?
Yeah,
They don't
have
have
in the
to go
studio to go to.
And they go, that was controversial. What do you think? I think that the referee made the right decision. Touch.
Oh.
Turn. Yes.
Oh! Go on, Silver!
Silver!
Go on, Fabio!
Yes!
Yeah!
Come on!
He got his goal!
Fabio Silva!
Come on!
Get in! Come on!
He's getting much stronger. Look at the push he did
Smile,
there.
Come on!
Brilliant. Much stronger.
I love you!
It's still, it's his push now, watch.
Pushed him
Yeah.
off, yeah.
That is what he hasn't been doing. Well done.
Yes, Fabio! You beautiful boy!
Look at the head on that. Look at the head on that. My heads have not got better. My heads have not got better. Corner ball then.
We've done them on one set piece, boys.
If we just get it in the mixer, their defence can't handle it.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Go on.
Any...
Yes.
Yes!
Boom! Hello, where are you now?
Come on, man! Hey, have some of that!
Come on! 5. 5. Oh, please. In the Bible. Right, well, that was a roller coaster. Not the best, but we're 2-1 up with a Willy Bolly show completely. Given away a penalty, assisted a goal, scored a goal. And for any of you statos that haven't read Twitter and are now watching the video the next day, the last player to do that in the Premier League was Adlen Guediora at Molineux against West Brom. The main thing is, let's not sit back now, let's go for the kill, because we've sat back in so many games where we 1 up and you know what's going to happen. We want 5, mate, I'm telling you. We want 5. Half-time face? You look like someone.
Come on, Wolverhampton.
I really need a wee.
Kicking towards it.
Oh, this is
You're gonna miss a goal. Here we go. Here we go. He's going again.
Paragraph! Go down! Back to him! Shoot! Oh, why has he not gone down? Too innocent, son.
Because go for a wee, quickly.
Go for a wee on a corner, are you mad?
Big throw coming up.
Ah!
No. Oh, they've done us from a long throw.
Oh, for f***'s sake. F***ing goals from f***ing long throw-ins, I knew it.
What year are we living in, lads? Fix up.
Oh my god.
You've got to be kidding me.
Jeez, how sloppy is that?
I ain't even got enough numbers. I ain't even got enough numbers for this thing. There you go. 2-2. How? It's just, oh.
Off! No! No way!
That's not a penalty. That's not a penalty.
Another penalty? No, you gotta be joking.
Are you freaking joking?
All he's done all game, he's not even stand in front of the centre back and
Oh
fall
my god, I
over.
can't believe
This
this.
is
Not
ridiculous. This is
another.
ridiculous.
Go on, Rui. Go on, Rui.
Ridiculous. This is stupid.
Puts it the other side this time, and West Bromwich Albion are ahead. 3.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
I mean, I've had enough. I've had enough.
If they were going to do it, they were going to do it this way, weren't they? They can't score goals properly.
Just to update you, I'm depressed. I'm sat on the stairs and I'm watching it on BT Sport on my telly downstairs. So, oh, Silver.
Ball.
Yes!
Yes!
Rooney.
One.
Oh! How have you missed?
Oh man. This will be the lowest point of the season so far. How have you done that?
Pretty good, wasn't it?
You heard that right.